Rutendo Martinyarare claims that Wicknell Chivhayo is framing his ex-wife Sonja. He alleges that Chivhayo once sent a video of himself with South African President Cyril Ramaphosa while threatening someone, allegedly as a way of showing the level of influence yes in South Africa. Zaribena mashuku kudatoka panapa na Martinyarare achiti aiwa Wicknell Chivhayo ndo wakanga uri uno wake wekuthreatena vanhu achivaratidza kuti aiwa ndine influence South Africa but panguva ino my tables have finally turned. Sarapina mashuku kudanyikwa panguva ino rupa subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Martinyarare anomeka a post achiti it doesn't make sense how Wicknell is lying that Sonja stole this video from his phone. Yet Wicknell sent this video threatening someone who opened a fraud case against him in a foreign country, CAS 66/2026. He sent the video while sitting with this powerful president saying that he knows the president of the country where the case is open and he could make the case that person disappear. How does he now abuse his power to get Zimbabwean police to arrest an innocent woman and mother of his kids over his own posting? Ndo mashiko anatoka na Martinyarare achiuya achiexposawo nhau yake iyi yemapictures aishandisa kuthreatena vanhu vainobvura mafraud case against him. Ndo patasvika apa muri Zimbabwe ameno zvichapera sei, but panguva ino people they are not happy ava nemaitikiro ari kuita zvinhu izvi. Nakomment section medu dzafungura imba kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Nakomment section medu subscribe or like up on channel tonga bell icon.